All right, so factor theorem. Factor theorem is when you have this x minus a is a factor. When we say it's a factor, means the remainder is 0. Therefore, when you substitute their value, so divisor value, let's say is a, your remainder is 0. So this is a factor theorem. The difference between remainder theorem and factor theorem is this. Factor theorem won't have any remainder. All right, factor theorem won't have any remainder. Let's take an example. The value of 1, 2, 5. What's the factor for 1, 2, 5? 5 is a factor of it. When we do the, you can see when we do the division, you won't have any remainder. So 25 times 5 is 125. We can call 5 is a factor of 125. We can say 25 is a factor of 125. So if that is not the factor, let's say any value, when it happen here, it's not a factor, confirm it will come out a remainder. Alright. So when we having a factor, so means that your divisor will be your result here will be 0. So that's why when you're writing your px equals to qx dx plus rx. So when your rx is 0, it will be in form of this, dalam bentuk ini. So dalam bentuk ini kan dalam kurungan factor form, like what I mentioned in the first class. This actually is a factor from this polynomial. This is a factor for this polynomial. You can see nothing adding at the back here. Kalau tak percaya, you ambil polinomial ni, cuba bahagi. Dia akan bahagi habis tanpa ada remainder. You boleh cuba. So kita boleh kata ini adalah factor dia. Quotient dia adalah factor dia. Divisor dia adalah factor dia. So factor theorem. So from the factor theorem, kita pun boleh belajar nilai x tu adalah roots. Nilai x tersebut adalah nilai roots dia. So factor dalam bentuk kurungan, roots dalam nilai x sama dengan nilai apa? Zeros adalah nilai tersebut. So ini adalah mathematical terms. Okay. So for example here, when you're having this factor and another information is remainder of 4 when you divide by x minus 1. So find your value of a and b. So untuk yang pertama, bila dia kata ada factor, bermaksud sini adalah factor theorem. X equals to -3. P -3 is a factor theorem. It will equals to 0. Remainder will be 0. So second information, remainder of 4 when you divide by x -1. So x equals to 1, P1 equals to 4. So you can see remainder theorem, factor theorem. So substitute. What can we do? We can substitute into our polynomial. We have polynomial here. Simplify the equation. So for here, repeat for our reminder theorem, x substitute to the polynomial. Simplify here. Okay, equation 1, equation 2. So what can we do? We can eliminate the unknown b here. One is positive, one is negative. So equation 1 plus equation 2. Negative 8a. Negative 16. A is 2. Then substitute into either one equation. So I pick the easier one. 2 plus b equals to negative 9. B is negative 11.